In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 6 channel methods to start a YouTube cash cow channel. This is going to be the list of the 6 most profitable channel ideas that you can start right now without having to show your face on YouTube as a cash cow channel. If you don't know what a YouTube cash cow channel is, it's basically a channel that prints cash for the owner, and the owner doesn't show their face and doesn't have a personality. Number 1. Screen recorded videos. Screen recorded videos are a very good way to start a YouTube cash cow channel. This is because screen recorded videos are very low maintenance, meaning that they don't require a lot of startup capital to make the channel. The only thing you will need is screen recording software like OBS and a voiceover. Now with screen recording videos, an example of a video type would be how to make money online. And for example, if you are showing someone how to make money online, all you would need to do is record your screen and go into the relevant software. Now the relevant software can be Shopify, it can be Amazon FBA, it can be Google, it can be the Facebook Marketplace, and all you would need to do is record your screen. Screen recording is a great way to have a channel and monetize it without showing your face and potentially in the future turning it into a cash cow. As long as you don't show your face on this type of content, you can eventually turn this channel into a cash cow easily. I have actually done this in the past, and it worked out very well. All you would need to do is once this channel starts to bring in some very good money, you would then hire a voiceover actor, and then transform your video content from a screen recording to perhaps an actual video edit. Number 2 is whiteboard animations. Whiteboard animations are a great way to make money from YouTube because you don't have to show your face. And this type of video content can be easily automated with gigs on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website that allows you to buy things like voiceovers and whiteboard animations that you can upload straight to YouTube.com. And then you won't actually have to do the work once the channel begins to make money. You can just order them from Fiverr.com. Whiteboard animations can be content on any video topic. It can be fitness, it can be make money online, it could be gaming, or it could be business. There are many different niches where whiteboard animations are a very good way to make money from YouTube as a cash cow channel. This is because whiteboard animations are very cheap and easy to create. All you have to do is buy the whiteboard animation software, which is a one-time fee of around $67 if you purchase Doodly.com, which is by far the easiest software to use. And then once you have bought this, you can start making content. It's also very easy to make content because all you need to do is click and replace the images, and they will animate them for you. Number 3 is a gaming channel. A gaming channel is a very underrated way of making money on YouTube as a cash cow. So what I would do is when I'm first starting out, record the content and the voiceover myself. Then once the channel starts to make more money, you can then hire someone to get the footage for you and hire a voiceover actor. If you already have the money standing by, you can hire a voiceover actor and get someone else to get the gameplay for you. Let's take a look at a channel example called The Gamer. This is a channel that is a video game cash cow channel. This channel has over 1 million subscribers, and what they do is they upload videos with gameplay, but it's more revolving around video game news, meaning that even if you don't have a console or you don't have a computer, you can still edit and make video content about video games without showing your face and make money from it. This channel knows exactly how to make content on video games without actually recording the majority of the content themselves. Number 4 is going to be top 10 videos. A similar format that many cash cow channels use is the top 10 format. The top 10 format is by far the easiest way to make money from YouTube using content that is not your own. The only thing with this is that you have to be careful to make sure that you are actually using the clips in fair use. Fair use means you can't just upload someone else's video and claim as your own. You need to make a lot of changes and a lot of edits with a voiceover to be able to monetize that video. If you are going to make a top 10 channel, I wouldn't make solely a top 10 channel. I would make content that revolves around one type of niche, and then make list videos based around that type of content. For example, if we look at top 5 gaming, we can see that this channel is a top 10 channel. However, this top 10 channel is not like every other top 10 channel. This top 10 channel is actually a channel which uses gameplay from other people and monetizes it. But it makes sure that the top 10 style videos are all surrounding Fortnite. You can do this for any kind of content that you want. You could do top 10 around fitness. You could do top 10 around sports. You could do top 10 around business. Whatever topic you desire, you can make a top 10 channel about it. But I would say that just be careful to make sure that you edit the video so YouTube doesn't demonetize your channel for repurposed content. Number 5 is going to be Storyblocks channels. This kind of content is very, very profitable. In fact, the channels that do this are actually making upwards of $50,000 per month from YouTube ad revenue alone. One channel example that we can look at is a channel called Bestie. This channel has 2.6 million subscribers, and all they do is make content using content from Storyblocks or sites like Pexels.com. What they do is make videos surrounding food and fitness. Like I said before, whichever channel you start, it needs to be surrounded by a certain type of niche. And as you can see, this channel is surrounded by fitness and food. So as you can see here, what you need to do to recreate a channel like this and make content around food and fitness, then make a list of videos and get content from sites like Storyblocks. The reason this is a great cash cow channel is because once it starts to earn money, you can easily hire an editor to edit the videos from Storyblocks and hire a voiceover actor to do the voiceovers that you would be doing in the beginning. So if you want more videos on how I managed to make money from my cash cow YouTube channels, subscribe.